You may not know me, but we've probably met. I've been in the car world for 45 years. I'm a hands-on car guy, so products make a big difference in my life. P&S has been a part of my life since the mid-70s. I love everything that P&S does, and the Dream Maker collaboration is it's just been a natural. It needed to happen, and it is happening, and I'm just delighted. Dream Maker, in my view, is the ultimate secret weapon on how you can get your car, your finish, to just look that little bit better than the rest. Dream Maker is not going to help you out if you have a really bad paint job. That's not what it's meant for. It's meant for high quality driver finishes that are on your daily driver that maybe you're taking to a Cars and Coffee because you want to share it and have a good time with your friends. But it really excels on incredible paint. It just makes it look that much better. You want your car to really catch your friends and colleagues' eyes, and Dream Maker does that. It's that extra pop that I've never seen in another product. Automotive paint is interesting, especially when you're seeking perfection in automotive paint. It tends to pick up somewhat of a hard edge, you know, when you sand all the texture out of it and polish it up to a really high level. It has a little bit of a cold finish to it. Dream Maker knocks that down with an aura of warmth like nothing else I've seen, and it just makes it that much more enticing. I think Dream Maker's ease of use is its largest asset. I use it on everything. If you spray it, it gets on your chrome, your glass, even rubber. There's no downside to Dream Maker. It doesn't cloud up, it doesn't fog. It's just absolutely incredibly easy to use. And I think that's important when you're at a show. To be able to crack out a bottle of Dream Maker on your show car or driver in your garage, I can't think of a better way to spend some time with your car. Well, you know, we have a lot of choices that we can make when it comes to quick spray products. There's something about Dream Maker that is like none other that I've seen, and I've used a lot of products over the years, but Dream Maker, its ease of use, I stack it up against everything else available, and I can't find anything that offers that final pop that Dream Maker provides. It's amazing. You want the kind of paint that looks like you could just jump in it and start swimming. You want to have no bottom to that paint, and that to me is obviously the sign of a good painter, but almost most importantly, the sign of a great detailer. You've brought the best out in that paint where it just takes you to it and you can't take your eyes off it. I think we all dream about perfect car finishes, and I think it's the most appropriate name in the business, quite frankly. It's got to be Dream Maker. You're making dreams come true, you know? You want your car to look better than others, and so there it is.